Alright, it is Tuesday, January 8th, 2019 at 11:59 a.m. Let's take a look at some weather. Alright, Tuesday weather. Enjoy, a cold front is coming this way, changing things quickly. Alright, this is for the Asheville, North Carolina area. So basically, snow and wintry mix, accumulating snow, accumulating ice, and hazardous travel is possible this weekend for parts of North Carolina. Let's see, a wind advisory goes into effect 11 p.m. Tuesday night and lasts through 7 a.m. Thursday for all western North Carolina counties, excluding Clay and Cherokee. Sustained winds out of the northwest for 15 to 30 miles an hour are possible, with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Downed trees are possible, especially at higher elevations. Mild temperatures stick around on Tuesday with partly cloudy to partly sunny skies. A few scattered showers are possible, with a better chance of areas west of the French Broad River Valley. A second cold front moves into the mountains this evening, bringing a chance for mostly light showers in the mountains after sunset. Gusty winds will develop over the northwest after the front passes, helping to cool things off overnight. Lows Wednesday mostly bottom out near freezing, but wind chills will be likely in the upper teens to lower 20s by sunrise Wednesday. An additional wave of light moisture could move into our northern mountains and along the Tennessee border by late Wednesday morning, but mostly Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning. The highest peaks and ridgetops could see a few inches of accumulating snow, but other locations should mostly expect a dusting. Skies look to stay mostly sunny or partly cloudy away from the northern mountains on Wednesday. Cold and gusty conditions continue on Thursday, with wind chills Thursday morning dipping into the teens or single digits. Friday stays mostly dry as well, but before a storm system approaches the mountains from the southwest on Saturday. What kind of precipitation falls and how much are still not certain, but it looks like a mix of snow, ice, rain will be possible on the mountains and upstate. Models currently show light to moderate snow accumulations through late Sunday, with some freezing rain possible. We'll continue to track this storm system to keep you updated with the latest forecast informations and as the confidence improves. So, as you see, there's going to be a snow ice mix coming to North Carolina. Let's take a look at the 120-hour snow models. This is what is predicting for the next 120 hours snow to be falling in this region of the United States. Let's take a look at the National Weather Service. Right now, there is winter weather advisory for parts of eastern Washington and northern Idaho, parts of western Montana and central Idaho, and for parts of north central California. There's also a winter weather advisory for southern Maine and New Hampshire, and for central Pennsylvania. Also for parts of northeastern Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. Alright guys, let's take a look at the full radar right now. There's rain in parts of California and Eureka, and parts of Victoria and Seattle, Washington. There's also a snow mix in Walla Walla and Yakima in Washington. Alright, let's see. There's rain in Detroit and Chicago, and there is also rain in Cleveland and Buffalo, and parts of New York and Philadelphia. Let's take a look at the current temperatures. Right now, the temperatures for the southeast are mostly 50s and 60s, and 70s for parts of Florida, and the rest of the western United States is mostly cooler temperatures. 30s for Washington, 41 and 29 for Oregon, 45 and 55 for California, 41, 36, 59, and 67 and 68 for Texas, 61 degrees and 68 for Louisiana, 67 for Florida, 70 degrees and 77 for Miami, 55 degrees for Georgia, 62 for South Carolina, 55, 56, and 59 for North Carolina, 51 for Virginia, 35 for Maine, 33 for Vermont, 13 for Massachusetts, 35, 13 for Maine, and 22 degrees for southern part of Maine. Let's take a look at the forecast models. Here, it's on Tropical Tidbits. Here's the forecast models of what's supposed to happen this weekend. This is January 12th. You see the rain and snow mix is starting to appear. And by January 13th, there's a snow mix and rain mix for parts of northern North Carolina, for parts of Tennessee, and for parts of the northern eastern seaboard. There's snow and rain mix happening. Alright, as you see here, it will continue on to January 13th and 14th. So please be aware and stay alert that there's going to be snow and possibility of rain and snow and possibility of ice. So when you're driving out there, please be safe, because you never know what could happen in a snowstorm or ice and black ice happening on the road. Alright guys, please stay safe. Stock up on food if you need to for this weekend. If you live in these areas, and God bless. See you next time, guys.